You're welcome back to another video from Wabili Concept TV. This is our current state of Ijebu-Ode tiling project. In the other video we did about the selection process, and now we have done the final completion of the job. This is the veranda 60 by 60 super polished good wood tiles. Then we have the waiting room. This is the waiting room where we use 60 by 60 also. The 60 by 60 we use here is the same design all to the main living room, to the dining, and to the stairway and the family lounge. We have, this is the visitor's toilet. This is the visitor's toilet. We have it designed as a wall 60 by 60, 30 by 60 Veroni wall tiles, and the floor with a matte floor 40 by 40, and the edges were all designed with a Genesis stainless Genesis. Also, the window edges was designed. So we have the main living room here. Look at we have the main living room here. This is the mapping effect of the tile design. Also a polished, super polished good wood tiles. Then the same design we use for all the living room, stairway, waiting room, up to dining area. So we have the same tile design here as well. So moving to the kitchen from here, we have 30 by 60 wall tiles. The 30 by 60 used here is a Veroni as well. And this the kitchen tiles here. The kitchen we have 30 by 60 grey effect with the floor 60 by 60 grey tiles. We have the kitchen balcony also. The tiles used here is the same design as the veranda. We use the same design for all the veranda design. From the veranda, we move to the guest room. So we have the guest room, which is the room here. We have our lobby to the guest room. This is our main living room. This is the lobby to the guest room. Then we have our guest room. All the rooms. These are types of tiles blue. These are tiles we use. These are the tiles we use for all the rooms. These are glazed tiles. It's not a polished tiles. The reason is that these are glazed tiles, not a polished tile. The reason is that there is a combination. There is a communication between the room and the toilet, and we have to select a glazed tile, the tiles that will not be small, more slippery. So moving it, we have the guest toilet here. The guest toilet is designed in another way. It's designed such that we have a shelf area, so you can put your soap, your washing, and all other accessories. Modern design. We use the same toilet floor to incorporate this, and edges. Genesis stainless edges was used to beautify, and also for the edges of the window and the edges of the door. So another advantage of putting Genesis is that it protects injury, like sharp injury. If you want to move out of the toilet, you can not be injured. But if you have a sharp edge, you can get injured coming out of the toilet. That's one of the advantages of the Genesis pipe. Moving from here, we are going upstairs.
How are you?
We are going upstairs. Look at the stairway, designed with the same tiles design, marble effect. We have the stair Genesis also designed with it. So we have the stair Genesis design with it. So moving upstairs, we have the family living room with the same tile design. We have it beautiful and looking nice, 60 by 60 super polished floor tiles. Then from here we will have the veranda upstairs. I've said before that we use the same type of tiles for all the veranda. So we have the same 60 by 60 for the three veranda we have in this house. The front veranda, the up veranda, the kitchen veranda. Then from here we have one of the room here. The same glazed tiles floor tiles. This is a glazed tiles, and it is beautiful. Then we have another room here. Look at the finishing. The toilet has a wooden stripe effect. We have it both on the wall and on the floor. It's just a combination, and it all the toilet and kitchen are designed with a Genesis edge pipe. The same thing for putting your soap, any other accessories you want to put in the kitchen and in the toilet. So we have it combination of both wall and floor. So for both wall and floor, yeah. All the lobbies, everywhere were designed with the same tiles. All the rooms, same tiles. Moving to another room here, we have it as a 60 by 60. Then the same effect is happening in all the toilets. We have the same tiles design. Look at this, amazing. You can set all your accessories, your soap, your cream, and all of that thing in this part. So we have another room here as well. This is a project, a massive project. This another toilet with another massive finishes. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. Then we move here to the, I think this is the master room. This is another big room with finishes, good tiling, and let's check the toilet. This toilet, I really like the finishing. The finishing is so amazing. Look at the shelf area, designed with all Genesis design and pipe design. What is there, man? This is Wabili concept. Owó ẹ̀ máa gbọ̀n. Màá start. O ṣáà gbé. O fọwọ́.